Shri Parashakti Vidyala CBSE Class 7th Subject English.
Good morning, students. Hope you all well. Today we are going to study the 9th chapter, gerund and the participles. All of you take your English grammar text for the class. Let us go to the class. Students, I hope you that all of you take your English grammar text for the class. The gerund and the participle, you have to take the page number 48, the 9th chapter, gerund and the participle. A gerund is ing form of a verb. When it is used as a noun, it is derived from a verb. Gerund is used in the following cases. Here is a box. The uses of gerund. Subject to a verb. Swimming improves your health. Smoke causes cancer. Reading makes us wise. Object to a verb. I dislike smoking. I love swimming. You must stop laughing. Object to a preposition. He is fond of playing. I have no idea of going there. She was fined for coming late. Complement to the verb to be. His only aim was winning. His constant habit was sleeping. My favorite hobby is gardening. So these are the different uses of the gerund. Okay. Next is you have the root form of a verb V1 is called infinitive. It is not limited by the number of a person of a subject. The root form of a verb V1 without a 2 is called bare infinitive. I made her swing. I made her sing. The root form of a verb V1 preceded by 2 is called the 2 infinitive. For example, I wanted to go now. And here is a box regarding 2 infinite as well as gerund. Let us see what. We intended to live in Delhi in 2 infinitive, but in the gerund we intended living in Delhi. I propose to leave soon. It is in 2 infinitive. Gerund I propose living soon. Then the following verb of prepositions can take a bare infinitive or gerund. Let us see that box. Bare infinitive. I heard her come in. Gerund I heard her coming in. In bare infinitive, she saw me cross the road. In gerund, she saw me crossing the road. And the following verb must be used with the gerund only. It is wrong to use infinitive after the. Avoid, delay, deny, dislike, dread, enjoy, excuse, finish, forget, imagine, keep, etc. Are the wrong use of infinitive after them. Okay, and gerund is used with the following expressions as well: be wrong, can't bear, be no use, and constant, be no good, can't help. Now take the page number 48. If a noun or a pronoun is used before a gerund, it must be in the possessive case. Example: I dislike Rohan's coming late daily. A man's future depends on his working hard. I enjoy her cooking for me. So here's a fill in the blanks with the correct gerund infinitive or the verb in the given bracket. So you have to do yourself with the help of answer key. And the first one is he wants travel by car. So he wants travel by a car. Here is the correct answer is to travel by car. I don't know what dash do now. I don't know what to do now. The next page, the participles. A participle is a form of a verb which has the characteristics of verb as well as a adjective. Participles are of three kinds. First one, present participle V1 plus ing form, then past participle V3 form, then perfect participle having plus V3 form. The present participles drowning, and past participle drowned, perfect participle having drowned. Present participle seeing, past participle seen, perfect participle having seen. Then present participle finishing, past participle finished, perfect participle having finished. If the participle and the principal verb occur at the same time, we use the present form of a participle. A drowning man catch at a straw. They went laughing out into the snow. If the participle occur prior to the principal verb, we use the perfect form of a participle, that is having plus V3. Having brought a book, I came back from the market. Having done my homework, I went out to play. The past participle V3 is used when the verb is functioning as an adjective. Namya's spoken English is much better than yours. These solved papers are very helpful. And recall the following: the verb used with infinitive, the verb used with gerund. When the verb is doing function of a noun is called gerund. When the verb also function as adjective is called participle. The page number 50, there is a homework. You have to do homework. Thank you, children.